Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another episode of LJ Law Family Law TV. My name is Bonnie Leonardo, and I'm your host. Today's topic is one that I get quite often in my office, and that is how do you modify a current child custody order? A lot of the times the parents come into my office when they have had an order in place for a number of months, possibly years, and things are just not going as well as they should have or according to the original order. And so they want to know, what do they do to change this custody order? What I tell my clients or my prospective clients is this: there are two ways to change a custody order. The first one is through agreement, which is what we always strive to do in this office. We try really hard to get the parents to come to agreements in this office because it's easier and it's better for the family involved. So that would be the first way to change a custody order. And then if that does not come to fruition and for some reason the parents cannot agree, then the next step is, of course, filing a motion with the court and having the court intervene in the decision making. What you need to do, or what you need to know in order to change the custody is this: courts don't like changing custody orders. They do not want an order that they have previously put in place to be changed because they feel that that order was in the best interest of the child to begin with. So you're going to have to deal with that first. The second thing is, changing custody is a very difficult thing to do because not only does the court not like to change the orders, but there's a really high standard that you have to meet, and that standard is called a substantial change in circumstance. And the court is always going to look at the child's best interest before coming to any decisions about changing any existing orders. What you need to do when you want to change custody for whatever reason, you must meet the substantial change in circumstances standard. That's the first thing you do. And you meet the standard by proving to the judge that there has been a substantial change in circumstances that is affecting the child's well-being. How do you do this? You must have clearly defined reasons for requesting your change, and you must have documentation that supports the reasons for that change. Examples of a substantial change in circumstances could be any one of these or accumulation of all of these. For example, one reason could be that one of the parents has gotten married or is involved in a new relationship, and that new spouse or that new significant other is somehow abusing the child. Another reason could be that one parent has become addicted to some sort of a substance, or one of the parents has had a medical situation that doesn't allow them to be able to take care of the child the way that the child needs to be taken care of, or the relationship between the child and the parent has deteriorated drastically, or one of the parents has needs to relocate out of the state because of a new job position. These are some of the reasons. There are many, or it could, like I said, it could be one, or it could be accumulation of all. So these are examples of what a change in circumstance could be. Just remember this, that the courts don't like changing custody orders that are previously put in place, okay? They do not like changing them. And so it's important that you be prepared with your reasons for the request and change, and that you have the proof necessary to show the judge why they should consider and ultimately change the existing custody order. I hope this has been helpful to you. I know that this is a topic that comes up quite often. So if you want more information, if you want to talk some more, give me a call here at the office, or go to my website where you can see other videos that I have done that might cover, give you more information on this topic. If you like it, please share it with people that you think might need it. And if you like it, just go and like on the website. I would appreciate any kind of feedback that you have. And I hope it has been helpful. And as always, I am here with any questions that you might have. I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care.